Hello, bachcho. So let's read the question. The question says, select the correct statement. First statement, thereby single mutation cannot produce a new species. Second, mutations cannot cause variation in chromosomes. Third, mutations cause variation in genes. And fourth, mutations are not inheritable. So the key concept for this question is mutations. Sudden and inheritable modification in an organism's traits. ये जो होता है ये बेसिकली होता है ड्यू टू द DNA sequence change this happens due to the change in the DNA sequence at a particular base pair. These are basically random and directionless. मतलब ये कोई भी specific direction में नहीं होता है कि species को एक ही direction में evolve कर पाना है. So they are directionless. They can happen in any direction and they are also random. And they are not small like the natural selection. So the variation जो डार्विन ने दिया था, variation जो डार्विन ने दिया था, this was basically small inheritable changes. They were small. But जो mutations होते हैं ये large होते हैं. म्यूटेशन जो होता है कैन बी ऑफ वेरियस टाइप्स. पॉइंट म्यूटेशंस होते हैं. देयर आर क्रोमोसोमल म्यूटेशंस एंड देयर आर कॉपी नंबर वेरिएशंस. सो पॉइंट म्यूटेशंस में आता है सब्स्टिट्यूशन, देयर इज इंसर्शन, देयर इज डिलीशन. क्रोमोसोमल म्यूटेशंस में आते हैं इन्वर्जन, डिलीशन, देयर इज डुप्लीकेशन एंड देयर इज ट्रांसलोकेशन. मोरओवर एक सिंगल म्यूटेशन जो होता है, even a single mutation, it can result in the formation of a new phenotype. It results in the formation of a new phenotype, a single mutation. These single mutations are very huge and after this, after the formation of the new phenotype, जब ये reproduce करते हैं या generation करते हैं, this results in the formation of a new species which is called speciation. New species का formation होता है. So coming back to the question में पहला statement दिया है single mutation cannot produce a new species, जो हमने देखा गलत है. A single mutation can produce a new species. Second, mutation cannot cause variation in chromosomes. अगर वो जीन में variation cause कर रहे हैं तो chromosomes में भी करेंगे. So ये भी गलत है. But mutations cause variation in the genes. This is absolutely right. And fourth, mutations are not inheritable. This is also wrong. Mutations are absolutely inheritable. So the final answer for this question is option C. Hope you understood well. Best of luck.